Okay class, today we will be doing reading and writing.
Man, I am so bored today. I don't want to do any more boring reading and writing. That sounds boring. Hey, wait a second. I've got a clever idea. I am going to go burp in front of my teacher and my friends so they can laugh at me. Ha 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 ha. Uh, 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 uh.
Oh, whoa, 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 Ray J, how dare you burp in class? That's it, go home now so you can get grounded.
Wah 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 wah.
I'm sorry about that, class.
Oh whoa 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 whoa, Ray J, how dare you burp in class? That's it, you're grounded, 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 grounded until Christmas. Go to your room right now. Wah 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 wah. I can't believe I got grounded. You know what? That is it. I am just going to go and lay down and not do anything since that I got grounded now. Goodbye everyone. The video is over. You may leave and go to a different video now if you want.